Hi everyone, today I will be making fried fish with tamarind sweet sauce. The fish that we'll be using today will be red tilapia and birdfish. That's what we call in Cambodian, birdfish. Okay, and you can use any kind of fish. And then you will need some red and yellow pepper, some cilantro, green onions, lettuce and tomato for garnishment, and lemon, shallots, garlics, and red chili pepper. And then here I have palm sugar. You can use regular sugar, and then the tamarine fish sauce. Okay, and then of course water. First, you're going to cut your fish like what I'm doing now. This will help the fish to cook faster. And then we're going to season it with a little bit salt, just to give it a little bit flavor and to kind of get rid of the fishy smell. Okay, so I'm just using just a little sprinkle of salt, just like that. And you want to season it on both sides, just rub it in, not too much. And then you're gonna fry your fish. Here I have on medium low, and you're gonna fry until it turns crispy golden brown. Okay, and just let that cook. While we're waiting for the fish to cook, we're going to start making the sauce. Start with 1 cup of water, put it in a saucepan, and then add in the fish sauce. This is half a cup. And then you add in your palm sugar. This is about half a cup of sugar. You use some regular sugar. And then this is about 1/4 cup or to 1/3 cups of tamarine. Okay, you're going to put this on the stove on medium heat. You want the tamarine to melt, and you want all the sugars and fish sauce all combined together. And when it comes to a boil, let it cook for about 1 minute and let that sit aside so it do its things. Okay, let that sit aside. While we're waiting for the fish to cook, again we're going to garnish our plate. Here I'm just putting the lettuce, and then I'm going to chop up the tomato, or not chop it up, slice the tomato thin, and then just plate it on the lettuce, just like that. So this will give your fish colorful, beautiful presentation. Then we continue to chop up green onion and cilantro. Here, slice the shallots. And then chop up the garlic and the red chili peppers. And then just let that sit aside. That's gonna be used for the fish, for the sauce. Yeah, for the sauce. Okay, so now our fish is done. See how it's nice and crispy and golden brown? Okay, let that sit in your drainer so the oil dripped out. And let that sit for now. And then cook your other fish. This sauce, you can make 2 fish. Okay, now we are ready to make the tamarine sauce. Okay, here I have about 4 tablespoons of oil and the vonk. And then add in your chopped up garlic and red chili. We're going to cook this until it turns golden brown, so it release that nice aroma of the garlic and the chili pepper. And next we're going to add in the shallots. This will help the sauce give a little bit sweetness to it, and we're going to cook that. You're going to stir this for about maybe 1 minute or so, and then after that we are going to pour in that tamarine sauce that we let it sit aside earlier. So just pour everything in there. And here I add about 1 tablespoon of the chicken soup mix, give it a nice flavor. then I'm gonna put a little bit of salt นี่บอกแล้วเนี่ยเอาไปหมดkhổ chma chứ đặt mà hiếm á. Okay, then you're gonna add half of the lemon. Okay, so which about I would say about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, and then let that cook, simmer, and then next add in your red and yellow pepper. This is just to give it a nice color to your sauce, and it also give you a little bit sweetness as well too. Okay, so let that cook for about 2 minutes, and then we're ready to pour that onto our plate. So I'm putting here on the lettuce and tomato, so to give them a little bit of flavor. And then after that, I'm gonna put the fish on top, so the sauce will soak into the bottom of the fish. And then after that, pour the sauce over the fish. See, look at that. Oh, the sauce is very delicious, guys. It's yummy. Hey, and then depending on how big your fish is, you do have enough for 2 fish. And then top of it with the green onions and cilantro, give it an extra flavor to the fish. And voila, it's done. Fried fish with tamarind sweet sauce.
Did you put some fish sauce on it? On the fish? No? Okay, well, someday you'll grow up and you'll like it.
Yeah. My daughter Juliana, she loves that soup right there.
Oh yeah, more rice.
Yeah. I'm recording you guys, so you don't mind. You guys don't mind, right?
It'll be on the YouTube.
It's not YouTube.
Oh, okay. No, I love this chicken. It is
We're
so.
happy to be the
This is chicken, right?
The tasters.
Yeah.
This is chicken.
Yeah.
That's chicken, yeah.
I
chicken.
love the chicken and the fish. Those are my 2 favorites.
But we have to try this too.
I already did.
I want to
So
try
is
everything.
this is Morning Glory? The
Kangkong?
No, those are holy basil.
holy
Oh,
basil.
there's
Holy basil.
tasty.
This is morning glory in here.
Okay.
The kuan. You okay? Okay. So you guys come on my
This is
YouTube.
very good. You should continue watching the video.
You're gonna have a million people watching you.
A million people? I can see why, because
It's okay.
she needs to open a restaurant.
Yeah, every time she go to the market, go somewhere, people always say, "Is it you in YouTube?"
Yeah, it's me.
This morning she met 2 people at the store.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really? They could
They're
recognize
from Seattle.
from Seattle?
They came visit Seattle and met at the market.
Oh my word!
So you look so familiar. I said, yeah, I'm the YouTuber.
Oh, the queen.
You're the queen, that's your name?